Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard CBSE Maths chapter 9 exercise 9.4 21st sum. In a bank, principal increases at the rate of 5% per year. An amount of rupees 1000 is deposited with this bank. How much will it be worth after 10 years? That is how much amount you will be getting after 10 years when you deposit the amount 1000 rupees at the rate of 5% interest. Previously we have seen the rate of interest. If you have deposited 100 rupees, what is the expected amount after 10 years? What is the principal amount? 200 rupees. What is the rate interest? See, what is the rate of interest previously we have seen. But in this sum, see, the principal is given. Principal is also given 1000 rupees and rate of interest is also given 5%. So, what is the expected amount after 10 years you will be getting? So, the same procedure we will follow here. Rate of change of principal. So, you can take it as first let P be the principal and R be the rate of interest and R be the rate of interest at time t. So, rate of change of principal by time taken. Rate of change of principal by time taken equal to rate of interest according to the amount. Rate of interest according to the amount. So, dp by dt equal to 5 by 100 into p. 5 by 100 into p by variable separable method. See here, dp by p equal to 5 by 100 into dt. 5 by 100 into dt, integrating on both the sides. Integral dp by p equal to 5 by 100 is constant into dt. So, dp by p is nothing but what? Log of mod p. Log of mod p equal to 5 by 100 into integral dt. Integral dt is t plus log of mod c. Log of mod c. So, log of mod p minus log of mod c equal to 5 by 100 into t. 5 by 100 into t. Log m minus log n equal to log m by n. So, log of modulus of p by c. P by c equal to 5 by 100 into t. Rising the power e on both the sides. E power log, rising the power e on both the sides, e power log value is 1. So, p by c equal to e power 5 by 100 into t. See here, p equal to, see, p equal to c e power 5 by 100 into t. You can take it as 1. Starting when t equal to 0, you will deposit the amount 1000 rupees. T equal to 0, principal equal to 1000 rupees. When t equal to 0, principal equal to 1000 rupees. You can substitute in this equation 1000 equal to c e power 5 by 100 into 0. 5 by 100 into 0. 1000 equal to c e power 0. Any number multiply by 0? 0. So, 1000 equal to c into e power 0 value is 1. E power 0 value is 1. See, c equal to 1000. You can substitute in this equation. What is the value of c? C equal to 1000. So, principal p equal to 1000 into e power 5 by 100 into t. E power 5 by 100 into t. See, what is the question? What is the given in the question? After 10 years. After 10 years, see, rate of interest equal to 5%. After 10 years, what will be the amount you will be getting? What is the expected amount you will be getting? So P equal to, what is the principal amount? What is the principal amount after 10 years? T equal to 10. T equal to 10 years. You can substitute in this equation. Second equation, P equal to 1000 e power 5 by 100 into 10. 5 by 100 into 10. So 1000 e power 5 by 10. E power 5 by 10. Principal equal to 1000 e power 0.5. 5 by 10 is nothing but 0.5. That it is given in the question itself. Exponential value e power 0.5. Principal equal to 1000 into e power 0.5 value is what? 1.648. 1.648. When you multiply this value, principal equal to rupees 1648 at the rate of 5% interest. When you deposit 1000 rupees after 10 years, this is a fixed deposit. After 10 years, you will be getting the amount of 1648. See the 22nd sum. In a culture, the bacteria count is 1 lakh. The number is increases by 10% in 2 hours. That is, you can just imagine of the urine culture. The bacteria count is 1 lakh. The number is increases by 10% in 2 hours. In how many hours will be count reach 2 lakhs at the rate of growth of bacteria in proportional to the number present, proportional to the number present. See, you can take it as, let A be the count of, let A be the count of bacteria, let A be the count of bacteria at the end of, let A be the count of bacteria at the end of, at the end of T hours, at the end of T hours. Let A be the count of bacteria at the end of T hours. So, rate of change of bacteria according to the time taken. Rate of change of bacteria according to the time taken is directly proportional to A. It is given like this. See here, in a culture, the bacteria count is 1 lakh. The number increases by 10% in 2 hours. The bacteria, the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to. So, you can mention the proportionality sign. If it is not given, you can put straight away it's equal to constant rate of growth. If the question is given like this, is constant rate of growth, means you can write it as equal to K, but it is given as proportional. So, you can mention that symbol. Rate of change of bacteria according to the time taken is directly proportional to A. By removing this proportionality, we can introduce K. By removing this proportionality, dA by dt equal to Ka. By removing this proportionality, can use K, Ka. So, variable separable method. So, dA by A equal to K into dt. dA by A equal to K into dt, integrating on both the sides. So, integral dA by A equal to K is constant, you can take it out, K into dt. K into dt, dA by A is nothing but what? Log of mod A equal to KT plus log of mod C. KT plus log of mod C. So, log of mod A minus log of mod c equal to kt. Log m minus log n, log of m by n, log of m by n equal to kt, log of a by c equal to kt. See here, raising the power e on both the sides, that is raising the power exponential e on both the sides, e power log value is 1, so a by c equal to e power kt. E power log value is 1, so a by c equal to e power kt, a equal to c e power kt, you can take it as 1, can take it as 1, starting when t equal to 0. What is the bacteria level? 1 lakh. A equal to 1 lakh. A equal to 1 lakh. You can substitute in this equation. So 1 lakh equal to C e power k into 0. C e power k into 0. C e power 1 lakh equal to 1 lakh equal to C e power 0. Anything to the power 0 value is 1. So what is the value of C? C equal to 1 lakh. C equal to 1 lakh. You can substitute in this equation itself. So A equal to 1 lakh e power kt, you can take it as second equation. You can take it as second equation after 2 hours. T equal to 2 hours, after 2 hours, because T equal to 2 hours, the bacteria will be increased by 10%. The bacteria will be increased by 10%. See, after 2 hours, the bacteria will be increased by 10%. 10% means 1 lakh into 10%, 10 by 100. You can do it in your F4 column. See what is the amount? What is the bacteria level? 10,000. The bacteria level is 10,000. So you can add it 1 lakh plus 10,000. 1 lakh plus 10,000. So 1 lakh 10,000. So after 2 hours, the bacteria will be increased by 10% means what is the bacteria level? A equal to 1 lakh 10,000. A equal to 1 lakh 10,000. So see here, you can substitute in this equation too. So 1 lakh, what is the amount, bacteria level? 1 lakh 10,000. 1 lakh 10,000 equal to 1 lakh. 1 lakh e power k value is, e power t value is what? 2k, because t value is 2, e power 2k. So you can cancel 50. See 40 you can cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11 equal to 10 e power 2k. E power 2k equal to 11 by 10. E power 2k equal to 11 by 10. E power 2k whole power 1 by 2. E power k the whole square. E power k the whole square. See, e power k the whole square. That is a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So e power k the whole square equal to 11 by 10. But I need the value of k. So raising the power 1 by 2 on both the sides. See here, e power k whole square, the whole power 1 by 2. The whole power 1 by 2 equal to 11 by 10 whole power 1 by 2. 11 by 10 whole power 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So e power k equal to 11 by 10 whole power 1 by 2. I want the value of k alone. So k rising the power log, see, log of 11 by 10 whole power 1 by 2. Log e value is what? 1. So what is the value of k? K equal to log of 11 by 10. K equal to log of 11 by 10 whole power 1 by 2. According to the power rule, k value equal to 1 by 2 into log of 11 by 10. K equal to 1 by 2 into log of 11 by 10. See, what is the expected? In how many hours will the count reach 2 lakhs? In how many hours the count will reach 2 hours if the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present. See, T equal to in how many hours the rate of bacteria reach 2 lakhs. Rate of bacteria reach 2 lakhs. So you can substitute in that equation. What is that equation? See the equation. You can substitute in this equation A equal to 1 lakh e power kt. 1 lakh e power kt. You can substitute in this equation. A value is 2 lakhs and you should find out the value of t also. So A equal to 2 lakh. 2 lakh equal to 1 lakh e power kt. You know the value of k also. So afterwards you can write t, k into t. See here, cancel the value. 2 equal to e power kt. 2 equal to e power kt. Rising the power. See, applying log on both the sides. Log 2 equal to log of e power kt. Log 2 equal to log of e power kt. So log 2 value it's given 0.6931, or you can leave it as it is. Log 2 equal to log e value is 1. So kt. What is the value of k? What is the value of k? K value is what? 1 by 2 into log of 1 by 10. So log 2 equal to log 2 equal to what is the k value? 1 by 2 into log of 11 by 10. Log of 11 by 10 into t. Log of 11 by 10 into t. See here, log 2 equal to 1 by 2 into log of 11 by 10 into t. We need the value of t. So t equal to log 2 by 1 by 2 into log of 11 by 10. Log 2 by 1 by 2 log of 11 by 10. See, t equal to, so you can reciprocal the value 2 log 2 by log of 11 by 10. If it is given log 2 value equal to 0.6931, you can substitute that value, or otherwise you can leave as it is. Okay, t equal to, after t hours, see this is the hours, 2 log 2 by log of 11 by 10, the count will reach 2 lakhs. The bacteria count will reach 2 lakhs. It will take what? 2 into log 2 by log of 11 by 10 hours. I hope you understood, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.